Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 281 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. I have explained the policy of the government regarding democratization in the Council of States in detail, and I should not like to weary this house by repeating the same. But I should like to mention just a few things briefly. I am quite sure that we do not intend to entangle the army with the competition and controversies which are inevitable in a normal civil life. The army must be above these, and one of the justifications and great justifications of the present constitution of the cantonment boards with their official majority is that in areas in which the predominant interests are of the army and the military population, we should avoid giving these boards a constitution which would either mean the virtual disenfranchisement of the military population or that the special interests of the army in these areas would be entrusted to those who do not know much about the army. In fact, one of the beneficent results which I see flowing from the system that prevails today is that the hierarchy of the army and the representatives of the civil population in the area are brought together to serve a common purpose, namely the administration of the area in the best interests alike of the armed forces and the civil population inhabiting the area. I do not see why honorable members should visualize any inherent conflict of interest in these matters merely because the official or military elements would be in a majority. In fact, a conflict of interest is more likely to arise if that section of the population which has a smaller sphere of interest is given an overweighted majority. Nor do I see why honorable members should necessarily assume that the administration of the cantonment boards would be undemocratic or not sufficiently watchful of popular interests. I am entitled to ask them if they are right in assuming that with popular representatives in this House and popular representatives in the government, a disregard for democratic procedure and responsibility would in any way be possible in the administration of these bodies. In the ultimate analysis, the administration of a country is carried on by individuals. What is material is the ultimate responsibility of these individuals who were responsible to an autocratic power. Time now is when they are responsible to the elected representatives of the people. I should like my honorable friends to consider carefully an answer to this question because that answer is vital not only to the administration of the cantonment boards as we envisage it, but also to a large number of problems which very much affect us in this country.